Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an easy lunch or dinner quesadilla with beef, onions, peppers, and cheese. And for the beef, we're going to be using these Flanders beef patties, quarter-pound beef patties with onions. They taste good. And for the peppers, we're going to use these poblano peppers, mildly hot pepper. Oh yeah, that should make it taste good. So let's cut up an onion here, maybe half. We'll just use half. We can save it for later. Chop that up a little. Okay, that ought to do it. Put them in a bowl. Probably got too much there, but you can always save it. Yeah, now we'll just cut up this poblano pepper, mildly hot. We'll just make little chunks out of it here. Should make it taste good. Alright, we just put them in with the onions on the side there. Okay. Beat up 2 eggs. Alright, we're going to add a little salt, pepper, some garlic. Beat that up. Now all we have to do is start cooking. Set our burner to medium. Put a little oil in the pan. Let our pan heat up a little bit. Yeah, now we just add our frozen Flanders burger. And we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit. Alright, we just give that a little flip. Because it is froze, so we want to cook it kind of slow for a little bit so we don't burn it. Okay, let's break that up a little. Now we're going to add our onions. Green peppers, mildly hot ones. Alright. You can even put a couple green onions in there if you want. Just like this. Green onions. And some spinach. A couple little spinach leaves. Alright. Now let's give that a little stir. Alright, let's cover that and let that cook a little bit. There. Alright, let's give that another quick stir. They're looking good. Onions are starting to get soft a little bit. Okay, we'll let that go just a little longer. All right, let's check it again. That looks perfect. All right, we gotta lower our heat a little to medium low. Wish you could smell that because it's pretty good. I am gonna put just a little bit more salt on there and just a tiny bit of pepper and maybe a little bit more garlic on there. Give that a little stir. Okay, now we're going to add our egg. All right, that looks good. Now we add our tortillas. Push down on it lightly. Get it to stick a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit. Let's see if it's ready to flip. It should be close. Shall we give it a try? Oh, look at that burger in the middle. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Let's add our cheese. Just regular American cheese. And we can put some more green onions on there. And some more hot peppers. Just add a little crunch to it, you know. A little bit of onion, regular onion. It's yellow onion. And maybe some spinach leaves. There you go. Let's see if we can fold that up. Oh my God, is that thick? She's a thick one. Looks pretty already though. But man, that's definitely thick. It's over an inch thick. About an inch and a half thick, I think. Okay, let's cover that and let that cook a little. Okay, let's see if we can flip that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's perfect. Yep. Alright, let's cover that and let that cook a little bit longer. Alright, let's uncover that. And get ready to plate that up. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah. Look at the cheese coming out of that. Oh, you gotta look at that right there. Okay, I can't wait to get into this. Let's get into it. Okay, let's see if anything's stuck to the pan. Nope. Alright, we'll just rinse that out. Alright, that's still really hot, so let's flip it over so I can show you the other side too. Wow, is that hot? Alright, good. Looks really tasty. Man, this makes a really delicious lunch or dinner. Okay, let's cut into that, see how it is. Of course, you know, we're gonna have to take a bite. Oh yeah, look at the meat in there. And the cheese. Is that good looking or what? I'm gonna take a bite right out of this corner here. Or this one. I don't know which. Let's go for this one. Oh yeah. What's another good one? You're gonna love this. Quesadilla, lunch or dinner, with beef, onions, peppers, and cheese. You can't beat that right there. Man, I wish you could taste that. It's really good. Look at that. Yep, here we go again. The kitchen's gonna wait to get cleaned up. That's for sure. Because this dinner quesadilla here with all that meat in there and the peppers, they're just perfect, the peppers. And you can taste the onions. Comes right on through. And the cheese is everywhere. I don't know how it gets everywhere, but it's everywhere. Yeah, take another close look. Yeah, how can you beat that right there? I don't know. I'm gonna get into that right there. That sounds good. Where the heck did my glasses go? Now I know nobody wears them but me, so.